Um, Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to all of you joining us today on the occasion of International Women's Day. It's an absolute pleasure to host this insightful session on the role of women in the fashion industry. Today, we will explore how women have shaped the fashion world, the challenges they face, and their growing influence in the industry. Fashion is more than just clothing. It's a form of self-expression, culture, and transforming fashion into what it is today. An incredible talented fashioner to introduce our distinguished guest fashion industry, Miss Bisma. For innovation, she has made remarkable contributions to the world of fashion. Currently serving as a senior textile designer at Zane by Cambridge, Bisma has extensive experience in creating stunning prints, embroideries, and silhouettes that set trends in the industry. From conceptualizing designs to overseeing production, she has played a pivotal role in shaping modern fashion. Her expertise extends beyond design, and she has also mentored aspiring designers and conducts market research to stay ahead of evolving trends. Notably, she was invited as a jury member at IBA Enigma, where she judged the fashion design segment, further cementing her influence in the industry. Today, she will share her insights on the evolving role of women in the fashion industry, highlighting their contributions, challenges, and opportunities. So get ready to be inspired by her journey, expertise, and vision for the future of fashion. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Bisma Khan.
Hello, everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for having me. It's an honor for me to be a part of this session. This is the time where we celebrate women around the world, women in Pakistan, women who are working, women who are not working, women who are homemakers, raising children. Every contribution of women is important these days. Empowerment comes in many forms, and every contribution counts. सो आज हम फैशन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इन द फैशन इंडस्ट्री वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट में बात कर रहे हैं व्हेन इट कम्स टू करियर फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम पाकिस्तान में औरतों के लिए करियर चॉइसेस बहुत लिमिटेड रही हैं तो यूजुअली मेडिसिन और इंजीनियरिंग के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करती है while those fields are equally important and respected but fashion is always overlooked. It's art and design has always been considered secondary कि जो है ये तो शौक है और इसको करियर कैसे बनाया जाए बट गर्ल्स दीज डेज आर कंसिडरिंग कि हम फैशन को आर्ट को डिजाइन को अपना करियर बनाएं नो फैशन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बन रही हैं लड़कियां और ये शिफ्ट जो आया है करियर में इट्स नॉट जस्ट पर्सनल एम्बिशन it's about changing mindsets. I myself am a textile designer, and initially my mother also wanted me to be a doctor, but when I told her कि नहीं मुझे designer पढ़ना है, she fully supported my decision. Both of my parents, they supported me throughout my whole journey, and today where I stand, both of my parents are super proud of me. Whenever my collection is launched, मेरी mother जब मेरे designs पहनती हैं, she proudly tells कि ये मेरी बेटी का design है. That's when I know what I have achieved in my life. So today, this shift, this change is what we want. कि parents supporting their daughters for different kinds of careers as well. Okay, women.
Yes,
Sorry.
yeah, yeah, continue.
Yeah, okay. So, when we talk about fashion industry, women influence in fashion industry these days, women are now the forefront of Pakistan's fashion brands. There are a lot of brands which are led by women these days. We have emerging new designers. We have already established iconic designers, design houses which are led by women. And women have refined fashion in terms of new trend designs, new patterns, new prints. Women these days are breaking barriers by turning fashion into a platform for empowerment for women, for expressing what they want, for a social change, for providing their contribution towards the society. And most importantly, what is more important for a women to wear, what women are wanting, what
Mhm.
colors, what designs, what prints, patterns, etc. While choosing fashion as a career uh, is a little bit challenging for women these days as well, because despite their significant contributions, societal expectations can discourage women from pursuing a career degree in design. Sometimes there are financial barriers when a woman wants to start their own brand. Sometimes there are workplace challenges. There is a lot of gender biasness when it comes to leadership roles, and lack of recognition, and there are a lot of factors. But still, after all these factors, women are facing the obstacles, and women are going towards the lead positions as well. Education has played a lot big role in the transformation. More young women are enrolling in design programs, mastering digital tools, and exploring different techniques. Apart from that, it's not just education, it's not just us. Uh, a lot of women from rural areas, we also include them in our empowerment, because those women who are creating embroideries, those women who are doing all the handwork techniques, हमारे रूरल एरियाज में ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग होती है, एम्ब्रॉयडरी हाथ का टांका होता है, ये सब जो औरतें हैं ये भी हमारी एम्पावरमेंट का पार्ट ही है. तो फैशन सर्व्स एज अ पावरफुल प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर वुमेन, जो अलाउ करता है अपनी आइडेंटिटी को शो करना, अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को शो करना, एंड रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. मैं एक डिज़ाइनर हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे प्रिंट्स बनाती हूँ, एम्ब्रॉयडरीज करती हूँ, टेक्निक करती हूँ, मेरे पास डिग्री है. जो औरतें जिनके पास डिग्री नहीं है वो भी बहुत टैलेंटेड हैं हमारे टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में, जो हाथ से काम कर रही हैं, जो ब्लॉक प्रिंट कर रही हैं, एम्ब्रॉयडरीज कर रही हैं. So there are a lot of women doing contributing towards this society. Acha, apart from this, when it comes to the future of fashion, the future of women is in fashion industry is bright or filled with innovations. वुमेन आजकल औरतें सिर्फ डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर बन के ही नहीं कंट्रीब्यूट कर रही हैं सोसाइटी पे. यू नो बहुत सारी औरतें हैं जो ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे अपने आप को प्रूव कर रही हैं, जो ग्लोबली अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही हैं. पाकिस्तान से वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फैशन डिजाइनर्स जो इंटरनेशनली जिन्होंने अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट किया है. हेलो.
एग्जैक्टली
हाँ.
जैसे कि आपने डिस्कस किया बिस्मा, बहुत डिटेल में
हाँ.
आपने अपना पहले अपनी जर्नी बताई एंड देन फिर आपने डिस्कस किया कि फैशन हमारे कितने कितने डिफरेंट एरियाज से
हाँ.
आता है. तो starting this discussion, I would firstly like to ask,
हाँ.
women have been at the forefront of fashion innovation. How do
हाँ.
you think that women have shaped the fashion industry over the years? Like, what have been the changes? How many things have changed? How many things we have overcome?
हेलो. हेलो.
Hello?
कैन यू
Question
हियर मी?
repeat करूँ मैं?
जी सॉरी.
Yeah, I can hear you.
हाँ. आपकी आवाज कट रही
Okay, should I
थी.
repeat the question?
या यू मे.
Okay. I was asking that, uh, continuing from the points that we need to discuss, firstly, I would like to
हम्म.
ask the women's influence in fashion. Like, women
हाँ.
have been at the forefront of fashion innovation and they have
हाँ.
been working in the fashion industry for a long time. So, how
हाँ.
do you think women have shaped the fashion industry over the years?
Okay. Over the years, fashion industry has been transformed in many ways. By women have pitched a lot of innovative ideas. They have researched new trends. Women-led fashion houses has redefined elegance, blending traditions with modernity. Since हम we belong to a देसी society, तो हमें ये चीज़ें भी माइंड में रखनी पड़ती हैं कि फैशन को हम किस टूवर्ड्स लेके जा रहे हैं, कि we have to keep modesty in mind as well. We have to keep modernity in mind as well. तो फैशन डिजाइनर्स ने रोल अपना कट्स के थ्रू प्ले किया है, अपना प्रिंट्स के एंड पैटर्न्स के थ्रू प्ले किया है, कलर्स के थ्रू प्ले किया है। डिफरेंट सिलुएट्स हैं जो हम लोग मार्केट में लेके आते हैं। वेस्टर्न आर्टिकल्स भी आते हैं, ईद आर्टिकल्स भी आते हैं, ट्रेडिशनल आर्टिकल्स भी आते हैं।
Okay, correct. Now, moving forward with the second question, the challenges faced by women in fashion. Despite their immense contributions, women often face challenges in the fashion world. So, what do you think, Visma? What are some of the key challenges you've observed yourself personally and you have faced personally as a woman in the industry?
Okay, when it comes to fashion, choosing fashion as a career, women face numerous challenges. For example, सबसे पहले तो societal expectations होती हैं कि सबसे पहले तो choosing fashion as a career itself is a challenge, क्योंकि वो society की expectations होती हैं कि क्या करना है fashion में जाके या क्या होगा आगे जाके। तो सबसे पहले तो वो एक डिस्करेजमेंट मिल जाती है वहाँ पे। नेक्स्ट, व्हेन इट कम्स टू कंसिडरिंग पैशन, यू नीड टू हैव अ सपोर्टिव फैमिली। फैमिली का सपोर्ट इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, क्योंकि परसुइंग अ डिग्री इन आर्ट एंड डिजाइन इज नॉट इजी। apart from that, financial stability नहीं होती। If a woman wants to establish their own brand, they have financial barriers. And other than that, there are a lot of workplace challenges because gender biasness की वजह से, lack of pay की वजह से औरतें जो हैं नहीं आगे बढ़ पाती। लैक ऑफ रिकग्निशन की वजह से देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ वुमेन जो अपने आप को प्रूव करना भी चाहती हैं, बट men, usually हमारे men है, they hold top executive positions, जिसकी वजह से भी that this is a big challenge for women in the fashion industry.
Correct. So now moving to our next question. Many women are starting their own fashion brands and businesses. So, what are some advices that you would like to share and give aspiring female entrepreneurs in this field?
Okay, so for anyone who wants to start their own brand, firstly, you have to be passionate about it. A person who really, really wants to do art and design can only open their own fashion brand. Not fashion brand खोलना is not easy for everyone. क्योंकि these days सबका ये होता है कि हम कपड़ों का बुटीक खोल लेते हैं, ब्रांड खोल लेते हैं। It's not easy. You have to have that certain eye for design, certain eye for colors, and you have to have that certain art and design background in order to open your own design house. So opening a design house is not bad. Women should have their own identity, should have their own perspective what they want to do. But firstly, the mind should be clear in order of design, colors, and everything related to design field.
Correct. Okay. Moving forward, fashion is sometimes stereotyped as a glamorous yet difficult field, like something
Hmm.
which is not that easy. So,
Hmm.
how do women in fashion break barriers and redefine industry norms?
Okay, when it comes to breaking barriers, firstly, it's the acceptance. You have to get yourself accepted as a fashion designer in the industry, and you do it by proving yourself. For example, if I talk about me, I already told you initially my mom wanted me to be a doctor, but I proved her. I became a designer. Whenever my collection is launched, my mother likes to wear my own designs. She proudly shows everyone my designs. That's how you break the barriers. and you turned the fashion platform for empowerment for everyone. Self expression and social change is important. That's how you provide the contribution towards the industry, which is essential and which is important for the evolution and success of fashion industry.
Okay, now moving forward to another question that we have is that sustainability and women's role in ethical fashion.
Hmm.
Sustainable fashion is gaining more importance, and
Hmm.
women designers have been actively contributing to
Hmm.
ethical and sustainable fashion, like
Hmm.
things which are sustainable are in
Yeah.
fashion right now. So,
Hmm.
how do you see this evolving?
Sustainable fashion is getting a rise these days, and women are playing a vital role in sustainable fashion by making conscious choices in materials and production practices. They are creating fabrics that are eco-friendly. They are using organic fabrics. They are using recycled materials and innovative techniques that reduce the environmental impact by embracing this. Basically, it's called slow fashion. So by embracing the
Saying that fashion is also a very powerful tool for empowerment. And in your opinion, how do you think can fashion be used to promote confidence, inclusivity, and cultural identity?
Okay, so when it comes to empowerment and fashion, women are not just creating beautiful clothes, they are telling stories. When designers are preserving traditions and setting new trends to inspire others and all the women in our country or in the world. We empower communities through fashion, especially those artisans from rural backgrounds, by providing them with opportunities for financial independence and creative opportunities. शहर में हमारे पास बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं डिग्री लेने के लिए, यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, बट रूरल बैकग्राउंड पे दे डोंट हैव दैट इनफ opportunities. फिर भी they are trying their best to be a part of this industry. So fashion serves as a powerful platform for women, allowing them to express their identity, creativity and independence. सिर्फ कपड़े की हद तक बात नहीं है। कपड़े को बनाना, उसको डिजाइन करना, वो बनाना, उसको डिजाइन करना शो करता है। इट्स अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ योर कॉन्फिडेंस, इट्स अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ योर कल्चर एंड एम्पावरमेंट. So through fashion, women break societal norms, they redefine beauty standards, and they celebrate the diversity.
Recording is just started, so I will again repeat the question and then
Okay,
you will answer. So sorry.
it's okay.
Okay, Bisma. Moving to our last question, I have what changes do you foresee for women in the fashion industry
Hmm.
in the next 5 to 10 years?
Hmm. Okay, when we talk about the future of fashion industry with women as leaders, so women are not just participants these days. बहुत पहले वो टाइम था जब women जो है छोटी पोस्ट पे, स्मॉल पोस्ट पे काम करती थी, बट these days women are industry leaders. वुमेन आर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, और वुमेन जो है इंडस्ट्री को शेप कर रही हैं, न्यू ट्रेंड्स लेके आ रही हैं, और विद द इंक्रीज ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी वुमेन जो है अपना करियर परस्यू कर रही हैं डिफरेंट चीज़ों में. सो ये चीज़ें चेंज आई हैं. और फैशन जैसे जैसे टाइम के थ्रू इवॉल्व कर रहा है, विमेन भी आगे बढ़ रही हैं, और विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग कि औरतें जो हैं अपने आप को प्रूव कर रही हैं. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट फैशन, दूसरी इंडस्ट्रीज में भी वी सी वुमेन evolving and growing.
You're absolutely right. Okay,
Mm.
now I have a few questions from our audience.
Okay.
Anyone who wants to ask question can ask them. The very first question that I have from an audience is that what skills do you think are most important for young women who want to enter the fashion industry? Like, what should be the eligible skills to enter into the fashion industry?
In order to be a part of fashion industry, you have to be design driven. You have to be fashion driven. You have to have that
Yeah.
enthusiasm in you. कि आपको when I said कि fashion industry में काम करना is not easy, I actually meant it because you have to have that particular
Yes,
eye for it. You have to have that particular design sense in order to cater the target market that what you want to cater. बहुत सारे brands
right.
हैं जिनकी different target markets हैं. बहुत सारे brands हैं जो बच्चों के कपड़े बना रहे हैं, बहुत सारे brands हैं जो ओल्डर ब्रैकेट को टारगेट करते हैं, यंग मार्केट को टारगेट करते हैं. सो नो यू यू हैव टू हैव दैट पर्टिकुलर सेंस इन ऑर्डर टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ फैशन इंडस्ट्री.
Sorry for the disruption. I'm going to continue my question. Okay, so now the second question that we have from our audience is, what is one piece of advice that you wish you had received when you were starting your own career in fashion?
Okay, so when I started my career, I got a lot of support from my parents. So, Alhamdulillah, my journey has been very smooth. I had supportive parents, I have a supported family, which helped me throughout my journey. 4 years of design degree is not easy because it's not just theory. आपको सिर्फ पेपर पढ़ के दे के नहीं आना. इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल वर्क, it's a lot of मेहनत. So, you need supportive parents. Piece of advice I wished I had received. I can't really think of any because mm, मतलब, I had a lot of support from my parents. And even after when I became a designer, when I started working, my parents supported me. After I got married, I have supportive in-laws. I have a supportive husband. So maybe you need to have supportive family and a supportive family background for that.
Yes, that was so true.
Mm.
Thank you so much, Bisma, for such an insightful discussion. Your words have truly inspired us, and we appreciate the time and wisdom you have shared with us today. And to our audience, thank you so much for joining us. Before we end, Bisma, I would like you to say a final message or an advice for the aspiring fashion designers, young women who are looking to make a mark in the industry.
Yeah, I would like to say, as we celebrate Women's Day, let us continue to uplift and support every woman, regardless of her path, because every woman's journey is not easy. It's a testament towards strength, resilience, and empowerment. So, I would like to say to all women who wants to be a part of fashion industry or any work industry, just have the mindset, if she can do it, I can do it. And to all the women, especially in fashion, and to all the women in all our communities, it's your time. Keep breaking barriers, keep setting the standards, and most importantly, keep inspiring.
Thank you so much, Visma. As we come to the end of today's insightful session, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guest speaker, Ms. Bisma Khan, for sharing her expertise and experiences with us. Her deep insights into the evolving role of women in the fashion industry have truly been enlightening and inspiring. From breaking barriers to shaping trends, it is evident that women continue to redefine the fashion landscape with creativity, resilience, and innovation. We hope today's discussion has sparked new ideas and motivated you to embrace your unique role in this dynamic industry. A special thanks to our audience for their participation and engagement. Your questions and enthusiasm made this session even more valuable. Let's continue to support and uplift women in fashion and beyond. With that, we officially conclude today's webinar. And to all the women out there, I wish you all a happy Women's Day. Stay inspired, keep creating, and we look forward to seeing you at at our future sessions. Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you so much, Bisma, for joining us today. Have
Thank
a good
you.
day
Thank you
ahead.
for having
Allah
me.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.